These days, water pollution is one of the most crucial problems experienced worldwide, not only in Indonesia. One of the causes is liquid waste contamination of synthetic detergents. Synthetic detergents are cleaning products that contain active ingredients such as ABS and LAS, which have a negative impact on the environment and can irritate sensitive skin. Because of that, we are interested in making environmentally friendly biodetergent sheets called SYZIA.
Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, we are from KIR 3 SMA Negeri 3 Denpasar.
I am Devi Amelia.
I am Mirah Widiadnyani.
I am Laksmi.
I am Vani Ramaniya.
I am Dewi Kresna.
I am Nimai Pandita.
I am Satya Wijaya.
And this is our product,
SYZIA.
Thank you for your attention. Goodbye!